The revolution will not be seen on 52-inch screens in high definition. And my definition of change, it is not the same as President Obama's. See, while I was training for Iraq, you were probably at home watching dramas on TNT. But see, we know dramas too. The Marines found Saddam, and the hunt for Osama Stu. There were no weapons of mass destruction. There is nothing new under the sun. We'll find the promised land through logistics, redefining the classic blueprints in accordance to keep anything vintage, futuristic, and never losing our way. Focusing on the destinies that were foreseen by our forefathers who promised our people 3 lonely words: we shall overcome. But I'm so sick of seeing this same episode, rewinding this rerun. What's happening now is that too many brothers want to be rerun, and all of that dancing is cool, but it don't get you through school. So you're sitting at home and you're watching your life pass you by. Ask me why they made a switch from analog to digital. It's the same distance between being religious and being spiritual, and I refuse to stay peaceful in the middle of a riot. Even David grabbed the rock when he battled Goliath, so I'm thinking slingshots. Yeah, I'm thinking slingshots. I'm thinking Wingstop. No, I'm thinking slingshots. And these words and our voices are our bullets, and I ain't got a problem with letting that thing pop and letting this place rock. Because right now, they are capitalizing on our culture by corrupting commerce through commercialized sponsors just to keep commercials commercial. If they can con some of the consumers, we'll never notice the switch. And they'll keep the real artists broke and make the whack rappers rich. And they like, you ain't gonna make a stack trying to say the people black. You better do something about money, cash, cars, clothes, or hoes. No. What I do is invite them out to some of my shows so they can see for themselves that the revolution will not be televised, nor will it be uploaded to Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, or blogs. The revolution will begin inside when you start looking for God.